how I do my brows. I do my own brows. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Look at them. There we go. All right. So I go in with Nair. This is the softening baby oil, so it's for sensitive skin, because I don't want anything, you know, affecting my eyebrows. So yeah, Nair. All right. So this is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna start by combing my eyebrows up and in the right shape that I want them to be. So I'm gonna comb them up to the side just to get all those hairs and going in the right direction. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to take a really cheap brow pencil, eyeliner, whatever, and I'm going to outline my brows into what it is that I want them to look like. And I'm gonna use my up close mirror for this. So yeah, hopefully you guys can still see me. Right now, this is what my brows look like. A mess, child, a mess, a straight mess. But now they want to itch. But okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Nair, and I have my 2 Q-tips right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit on the Q-tip, and like I said, I'm gonna go outside these lines. And y'all, this is a really like painless way of doing this. So yeah. And it's cost efficient, like you save money doing this. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply the Nair to the outside of that line. On both the bottom and the top. You want to be careful you don't get this in your eye. Okay. Brows about to be popping. I'm gonna go here because I don't want no unibrow. No unibrows over here. I'm done with that brow, so my timer starts now. And make sure that you guys are like looking at the timer, or like reading the directions on the back of there, because you don't want to keep this on longer than what you have to, okay? Because then you have problems, and you don't want to like cause irritation to your skin or anything like that. So make sure you read the back of it. Okay. So I'll be keeping this on for 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutos. And I'm really taking my time in my arch, because in the arch of my brow, because that is where I always have like the most hair. Like I don't grow bushy eyebrows. I don't get a lot of hair on my brows, but I do have like in this little arch part right here, that's where I grow all of my little hairs, and it makes my brows, like when I'm filling them in, it makes me fill those in too, and so then my brows be like 3 inches thick, and that is not okay. So if you're wondering why I made them so skinny, that is why, because that hair in that crease grows back the fastest for me, and that is not okay. It's unacceptable. Just a no. I really just used 1 Q-tip. I don't know why I thought I needed 2, but yeah, so this is what I do. I let it sit on for 3 minutes. So my 3 minutes for this one is up, so I'm about to get ready and wipe this one off. And then I still got like a minute left on this one, and then I'm gonna wipe it off. And then you'll get to see how my brows look so much more cleaner. And then I'm gonna show you guys how I fill them in. So you got a little bonus here, you know. Can't halfway these brows. You gotta show how I get them the way they look from the beginning to the end, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off, and yeah, next scene. All right, so I have 2 cotton pads, two, and I'm going to wet these, and I'm gonna like quickly like wipe these off of my face. And you want to make sure you do it. I'm talking fast because I only got a couple more seconds left, but you want to do it fast and quickly to get all those hairs off. You know, you kind of want to just like rip them away. You don't want to gently anything. Don't be like hard, but you're just gonna like swift movements like that, trying to get them off your face. So watch and you shall understand. Okay. So I did the top. You can see some of the hair. I don't know if you can see it. You probably see most of the marker, but I have hair in there too, so yeah. And now some of the marker is like blending in. You guys, this is like a wax. I don't know if y'all can see that hair. Do y'all see that? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. I'll take a picture if y'all can't see the hair. But like, and so now I'm gonna go gently just to make sure I have everything off. Ooh. Brows looking what? What? And then I don't know if you guys can see the hair on there, but if not, I will show you a picture as well. Like, you can even see the hair on, like, coming down on my eyelid. I had a lot of hair to get rid of, y'all. You definitely can see the hair on my face. Like, it's all down on my nose. It's all down on my nose, all over my face. It's crazy. Crazy. Okay, I'm just gonna go and make sure I got all this excess hair off. Nope, I didn't. This is what my brows look like so far. I'm gonna go in with some alcohol. That's the hard part. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and fill my brows in, which I'm going to be using the Anastacia brow dip and my angled brush. So I always make mine like a little bit longer on the side, and then I just clean it up with my foundation. I mean, with my concealer, I do the same thing for my inner corners. I make them a little bit more thicker, and then I'll clean it up with my concealer. So the concealer I use is Fenty Beauty in 385, and I absolutely love this concealer. I like absolutely love it. Like, Riri girl, you did that. All right, so be gentle. Okay, so I got my concealer on my brows. And I'm gonna go in with my brush. Now, this is my concealer brush because it is angled on one side, and then the other side is just a regular brush, and I use that side for like under my eye, and then the angled brush for my brows. So 2-in-1 going on over here. Get you one. All right. So I'm gonna use the angled part of my brush, and I'm going to go in and put the concealer, blend it in, and get your eyebrows shaped in the way that you want them to be shaped. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to blend my concealer in too much. Just so you can see how it works for my new brow doers, I guess. I don't know who would be just now learning how to do brows, but I'm not judging. I'm not judging. Maybe some people just struggle and they just don't know how to, you know, how to maintain them, maybe. I don't know. But this video may be helpful to somebody, so here you go. So anyway, that is how the concealer looks, and I go over with my foundation, so I'm not really that concerned about blending it in. So one thing I do want you guys to remember with concealer is that it is to take away any mistakes that you may have made with your brows. So let's say you put a little bit too much of your Anastacia brow dip on, you have the ability to use your concealer and fix your eyebrow to the exact way that you want it to look, and it gives it a more neater look, like especially since I just got rid of all the excess hair underneath there. It's so much neater, it's so much cleaner, and it's just, you know, your brows are like, they give so much definition to your face. Like, your brows are that thing, okay? So you can't be out here looking toe up from the flow up with bad brows. Like, I understand you may have your days, I have my days too, but you can't afford to have that many days, okay? Charging it to the book. Absolutely not. So you want to make sure that your brows are neat and clean, and I am giving you guys a really helpful way of doing that. So I'm gonna start rambling, and I'm gonna go ahead and go on to my other brow, and I'll let you guys see that too. I do want you guys to remember, and always remember this: your brows are not meant to be siblings. They are more like cousins. They're not gonna look the exact same. They're not gonna be perfect unless you got some microblading going on over here. They're not going to always be perfect, but the goal is to get them as close as possible. So that's what I'm doing. Yes, now I like to, after I add like so much concealer like that, I like to go in with the same brush that I use my Anastacia brow dip on. I don't dip it again. I just use the excess dip that's on here, and I just outline like the top of my brow or some places that look a little bit more faint because I added concealer on them. So, and this just gives it like that more of a pop, you know. I don't want my concealer sitting on top of my brow dip. I want my brow dip sitting on top of my concealer, if that makes sense to you. So I'm just gonna go in and just kind of go over the same lines that I have before. Just some that look a little bit dull. So like right here, go in, just add a little bit more. Really the top of this brow, especially that arch at the top. You need to replace that after adding your concealer. This concealer got my forehead looking so dry. Alright, so there we go, you guys. That is how I do my brows. I'm about to go into another video and do my makeup and just explain to you guys where I've been and what's been going on with my life. So you guys will see this video after you see that video. So you'll see my makeup done and you'll be like, oh my gosh, her brows are so cute. How did she get them like that? And then boom, this video is gonna be uploaded for you guys. So, So yeah, without further ado, you will see me in my next video. Yes, you will. Alright, so you guys got to see how I clean my brows up and how I do them on a daily basis with, you know, a little bit less effort. But yeah, this is the finished product. As you can see, they are defined, they are bold, they are natural looking, they're neat and pretty. So yeah, that is how I do my brows. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I feel so off not doing my saying, but all right, let's make this right. Let's make this right. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, then hey girl. As always, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and rate this video. Down below, comment, tell me what you want to see. Tell me some things that you would like to see me do for my hair, makeup, beauty, fashion, whatever it is, vlog, you want to talk, we can talk. I can be a motivational speaker. You know, just let me know. Let me know what it is that you guys want to see. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Your brows look cute, girl. Who is that? Who is that? That is me. You are me. She is me. Me is her. Yes.